is Jay Cruz at the AUDIOZONE, man. We have the car from North Carolina finally finished. I'm gonna vlog it for y'all. Y'all can see her head to toe. Y'all see the North Carolina tags, wide body. Also done on this one, y'all. Y'all can see it from head to toe. I just want y'all to see it so you know what's going on. Another wide body out of the shop, produced and ready to go. Getting ready to go shipped out to our guy out there in North Carolina, Mr. Harvey. This is his build. It's been a pleasure. It looks great. Awesome, like always, man. You know, we've done this many times. We get very good at this, and you know, long story short, we do what we have to do and get it all situated. So at this point in time, we're about to get this to the trailer and get it shipped out to North Carolina for Harvey to go enjoy his car. Harvey, want to thank you for the business, man. Anything you need, you know we're here to serve you. You're all good to go, brother. So God bless you. I'll be back in a minute. I just got the car situated. I'm going for the ride just to make sure that everything's good and not hitting, which we already did. But we're gonna get it loaded up on the trailer for you right now. It's a beautiful car, guys. This interior of this car is actually so beautiful because I got the sticker on it and everything. The car is very beautiful, very gorgeous car, man. I'm gonna drop it off to the guy who's gonna do, oh, look who's there. The one that started it all, the AUDIOZONE. We got the other one next to it that we're doing a wide body to it also. But I'm dropping this off to the guy to get it mounted on the trailer so he can deliver it out to Mr. Harvey and get this whole build done, man. So he said it's around the building here. I just went around the building and I don't see him, so let me give him a call and see. But this wide body's done, all the bumps, everything's rolling good, no hitting, signed, sealed, delivered. Look, he's the transport guy, man. Yeah. He's actually picking up, look at the beautiful trailer, guy. He got Porsches in there, Corvettes, look at that classic. He's the one picking up Mr. Harvey's car to get it delivered, man. Is there anything you want to tell the camera today on YouTube? No. Nothing? Well, I'm about to get it loaded up, guys. At this point in time, we got the car being delivered here to the transport guy, man. That's the beautiful trailer you're gonna be picking it up from. This is the wide body for Harvey. She is getting ready to get loaded on this trailer and get ready to go out there, man, back out to North Carolina, man. So we want to thank Harvey for the support that he's given us, being able to let us do this job all the way from North Carolina. Alex is about to take this car out of here and get it done, man. So this car will be signed, sealed, and delivered and ready to go out to to Harvey out there in North Carolina, man. It's a beautiful enclosed trailer, which you can see is a gorgeous trailer. They got that beautiful classic Bel Air. They got the Porsche in that one. But this is getting ready to go out to Harvey, man. Harvey, truthfully, thank you for the opportunity of serving you. Any questions or concerns, you let me know, brother. God bless you.